Well, dear students, 10th Standard, Jesse English High School. Today's date, 22nd October 2020. And today our lesson, There's a Girl by the Tracks by Devin Kannan. I've already written on the board. Please get ready with your full group 10th Standard English textbook along with your stationaries and sit with a pencil whenever you are reading and mark the important codes, the important lines from the textbook. And notebook should be ready for your homework activities and your classwork activities. Note down everything, important lines and others. Even glossary also very important. Page number 24 you will get paragraph 4, glossaries. Para 5 you will get in page number 25. Para 6 you will get it in page 25. Glossary page 24, page 25, page 26. All the glossaries, the word meanings down to the textbook you will get it. And please follow my instruction and go through all the word meanings so that concept will be clear when tell the student you will read. Keep on reading the textbook. Our lesson today, There's a Girl by the Tracks by Devin Kannan. We have already started, our journey started. Story, concept, analyzation, explanation, everything started. Let me start today, page 24. Please open your textbook, 10th group. Sit with a pencil in your hand. Page 24, para 4. Impulsively, Baleshwar. The youngster went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. That's important because the high speed the train is going, he has to take the step. He has to get down. Electric train coaches you will see no staircases like the Super First or Express trains itself. So what happened? He has to jump from the coach when it is in a slow speed and with the sleeper torn off. Lot of headaches, lot of danger situations Baleshwar faced to save immediately life of the girl who was lying in the opposite track, railway tracks. The train screeched, slowing down. He then surveyed the compartment full of weary faces. Everybody is watching. What happened? He pulled the chain. He got down immediately, jumping down. Let's go and help her. He shouted, let's go. Please, if you want anyone, you can give me company. If you don't give me company also, I will help. It is my choice. See, he was very daredevil. Sometimes our personality should be like that, to help others, to help this society, to help this country. But nobody volunteered. Nobody was ready in the compartment. Only they are howling, shouting, criticism, so many chattings related to this matter. But the main thing is that no one volunteered that time. Nobody was ready to volunteer wholeheartedly. Afraid of getting involved. What will happen? Police case will be there, this, that, so many inquiries. People think in a negative way instead of thinking in the positive way. Of being inconvenienced, perhaps maybe I will not be very much convenienced, I will be in inconvenience, circumstance, situation. People think more about the future, think about the present situation, how to give life to that girl. That's important, that moment to Baleshwar Mishra. Page 25. What meaning you go through it? Shove, push, pushing, sprint, run very fast, sprawled, that is lie, straight sheet, gash, a deep cut. Para 5, page 25. 10th standard group, follow, keep on reading. His heart humming his chest. Balishwar shoved. Shoved means here shoved is past tense. The word is shove, S-H-O-V-E. A strong push. And similar words are shove, push, thrust means to push someone. So Balishwar shoved himself to the door and jumped up the still moving train where he screeched Pradyumna slow, 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 then stopped. So in this very moment he jumped from the coach. As he landed on the ground, a burst of pain shot up in his ankle, but there was no real damage. He got up to find part of his old rubber slipper sole torn off as a result of his fall, slipped immediately. So it is torn off. But Balishwar started to sprint back between the tracks as his train picked up speed again and disappeared. Guard and driver, they had seen something like that. Okay, that boy pulled a chain, emergency, so that he went to save the girl's life. So no problem at all. Because they have to reach to their another platform, next station, destination in proper time. So they started the train again with the two signals and immediately the train started full-fledgedly with full speed. Next one. This one you see. After these few question and answers, share your responses, check your understanding. These all things, my dear students, I will send with the video lesson in attachment. You will make your notes ready in your notebook and come to me in the school premise for your notebook checking, like my other serious good students of 10th standard. Para 6. Balishwar was so far away from Roma Talraja, the girl who was lying on the track, railway track. He could not see her. I hope I am not too late. Oh my goodness, where is that body, that girl lying on the track? He thought, gasping her breath. Oh my goodness, anything happened in between? After running for several minutes, he started running. He found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. Bahenji, Bahenji. Bahenji means sister. That is in Kannada language. Akka, Tangi in this way. Elder one, Akka, younger one, Tangi in this way. That is Bahenji. That is a Hindi word. Bahenji, Bahenji. Bahenji, aap theek hai means are you okay? Means are you chanagidiya? That is are you okay? Bahenji, aap theek hai? He asked, sister, are you okay? But there was no response. Totally senseless, fainted, and no help in sight. He was watching helpless condition. Nobody, no one there. And no one given him company also. They were alone somewhere between two stations, 5 kilometers apart in Thane district. Before reaching to Mumbai, Thane is the border. There is a Thane district which borders Mumbai. I told you right now, it borders Mumbai. Balishwar, para 7, could see blood flowing out of a gash behind the young woman's head. Oh my goodness, in this way railway track, so she fell down in this way, naturally blood coming out. Means head injury, very dangerous. Saying a silent prayer, he lifted the 5'2", 50-kilo Roma gingerly. Gingerly means nervously. And what he had done, made his way across the tracks, looking out for trains. In this way, up, down, running trains. And then in this way, nervously, he had taken the body in his hand. It's something to be done immediately. If no one is there, I alone will march forward. So, Balishwar had taken the step in that very situation, taking the body of Roma in the hands and looking out for trains and searching for a way out. He crossed through some shrubbery and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. some directions, vehicle sound is coming. It means something, road is there. So, I'll follow the direction sounds until we found the road. My sister is injured. He implored motorists to drove by. Please help me. Take her to a hospital. But no one stopped. Please help me. Take her to the hospital. She is my sister. Already injured. Please help me. Take her to the hospital. Helpless condition. But no one stopped. You will see this thing happen everywhere in India. But we get some generous, kind-hearted, godly person too. That's all for this lesson. God bless you. Keep on studying. I will shortly come back with your next paragraph.